We all know that the fight between or the war between the US and the China, ChatGPT and DeepSeek. When I asked DeepSeek that what is ChatGPT, it is said that it is AI powered language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to understand and generate human like text based on input receive. Breakdown of ChatGPT is like AI model generate pre-trained transformer GPT conversational AI. How does ChatGPT work? It's like trained on a large data set of text from books, article, websites and other sources. It is also natural language processing model, contextual understanding. Limitations are while ChatGPT is highly advanced, it has limitation. It may sometimes provide inaccurate or outdated information as its knowledge is based on the data up to training cutoff date and which is October 2023 for ChatGPT. It also lacks true understanding or consciousness. What actually ChatGPT do? Answer these questions, provide explanations, assist with writing, editing, and brainstorming, coding, debugging, technical tasks, and all that. Why, when I ask ChatGPT about DeepSeek, it said it is a Chinese artificial model that recently gained significant attention and it has been founded back in 20s but it introduced in 2025. This R1 and V3 model actually found in 2023. What are the key developments? It said key DeepSeek R1 launched in January 25. This OpenAI model has been recognized for its sophisticated capabilities and low development cost. My question is, they are all focused on low development cost. According to me, there are so many dynamics of cost are happening which we are unable to calculate. These are very intangible cost, like cost of values, cost of culture, cost of norms, cost of history, cost of respect, cost of trust. We are unable to do that, and intentionally we are compromised and we are already accepted the terms and conditions introduced by the chat gpt and deepseek. Don't you think in future if there is anything happen